Hello everyone and welcome back to the C++ series problem on the HackerRank platform. Let's continue with the next problem, that is next challenge on sets. So sets is one of the important concepts of C++ STL. STL stands for Standard Type Template Library. We have discussed this in previous classes. So STL provides some set of data structures, functions and other features which are very helpful for solving various kinds of problems. So, discussing about sets. So, sets are containers. They are containers like array, vectors, similar to them. But the features of sets is that they contain only unique elements in some order, in some specific order. So, how to declare a set is given over here. So set is declared using the keyword set followed by the data type to be implemented for the set and a name of the identifier name of the set to uniquely identify each set. This statement will create a set of integers, means uh, a list of integers, but where we can store the only unique elements in the container. To retrieve the size of the set, we use the size function, very similar to vectors. And to insert a element in the set, we use the insert function. And to erase an particular element from the set, we use the erase function. There is also a method or a function available for um, finding an element. We find it using set.find using this find function. But the find function returns the iterator that you have to remember. It will not return boolean value. It will return always the iterator. To know uh, more about the sets, you can visit the GFG platforms, or by clicking over here, you can get to know more about sets in the HackerRank platform only. So the problem statement here is that um, there will be Q queries given. We have to evaluate those Q queries. So the Q queries will be in the form of 1 space x, 2 space x, 3 space x. So each of these have some meaning. 1 with x means that we have to add an element x to the set. First, we have to create a set, and whenever we encounter a query like 1 space x, we have to add that element to the set. 2 space x stands for delete x element from the uh, set, and if x is not present in the set, we shouldn't perform any action. If it is uh, like deleting element, then like if the x is not present, we should do nothing. We should keep the set as it is. And third is to check if the x is present, means find if the x is present. If the x is present, then we have to print yes without quotes, that we will see in the input format. Else no. Just we will look over this sample input output so that we can get a clear idea. Yes. So here 8 is standing for number of queries. Here the number of queries are 8. So 8 lines will be there. 1, 9, 1, 6, 1, 10, 1, 4, like this kind. So whenever we have a 1 means we have to add. So we are adding here 9, 6, 10, 4. Then we are 3 stands for finding. So we have to check 6 is present. So yes, 6 we have added, so it will give the result yes. The next query is 314. Whether 14 is present in the list? We have not added 14. Initially set is also empty. So we have to print no. 2636. 26 is for removing 6. we have to remove this added 6 from the set, and we have to check 6 is present. Once we have removed, 6 will not be present in the set, so no. Simple idea. So implementing is also very simple, so we will just go through the implementation. Let us write the code. So first we need to create a set of size, set of type int. We will say the identifier or the set name as st. Then we will take some variables int p, q, r, x, I, k. I will later describe it, which variable we have taken for which purpose. Just for some different elements for keeping it different. I have kept it different for inserting, erasing, finding elements, and all other purposes. So let's try to implement. Uh, we have to read the queries. Yes, int uh, q. I will say q. Sorry. In extremely sorry. We have declared int, so we should read it. C in q. Then we have to set up a loop starting from I equal to 0 to I less than q, because we have to evaluate each of these q operation. Set int st. Then we have sorry, that we have already declared. Why should I am declaring again? I need to read a number now, because each query first I need to evaluate whether it is 1, 2, or 3. I will denote this first number by x. 1, 2, 3. Whatever we have, the first number. In a pair, there first number, first we have to decide whether to insert or to erase or to find. So that is decided by this x. I will check whether this x is equal to 1. If the x is equal to 1 means I need to insert. So I will, in that case, I will read the element whichever I want to insert, and I will just use the insert function. st.insert of p. Then check for if x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, I have to say cin, which element we have not used. I will say k. Yes, k we have not used. K cin k, st dot erase k. Erase k. Yes. So if x is 1, we are inserting. If x is 2, we are reading second number and we are erasing. This cin present in the if blocks is nothing but reading the second element followed by the 1 or 2. If x is 3, that is finding. Then also we need to read a number. I will read the cin r. Here I need, whenever I use the find function, I need to use the auto operator, because it will be auto keyword, because it will be returning the iterator. So auto, I will say position st dot find of value is r. If r is there, then I will be getting, means how should I check that I have got successfully or not? If position is not equal to st dot end, means I have successfully got. If position is not equal to st dot end, means I have successfully got the answer. I will say C out. Yes. Else, C out. No. Simple. So if the position means the iterator has reached the end of the set while iterating, then we will be saying uh, uh, if it is not reached the end means it is somewhere in between, and in that particular point the find function has returned means it has found. If at any particular point in between the set it has returned the means find function has returned the position means it has successfully found. So in that case we will be saying we have found the uh, element. If it has reached the end, if position has reached set dot end, then we will be saying no, we have not found the element. Yes, that's it. Let's run and see how the results are. Sample test case have been passed. We will submit the code. Yes, all the test cases have been passed, uh, and you can learn more about these sets in the GFJ articles, so that you can get to know more about the possible functions of the sets. Thank you.